back to the backyard cleanup. As you can see, this is my kitchen area. Oh, and this is your girl eating with Food for Thought Roberts. And this is my kitchen area. This is my 4-burner steam table that's been sitting out in the elements for the past 4 years. This is my little kitchen cooking area that my husband bought for me years ago before he passed away, and I never ever used it. And I'm just now cleaning it, using it for the first time. And I have my little deep fryer over there that's filthy. Then you got this thing over here, another little cooker that I really need to purchase a new one. And then I have another little cooker underneath that table. But everything back here is pretty much hotmess.com. So I'm going to get rid of some of this hot mess, and I'm going to get it together and have it looking like something, so that when I get back, you guys will see what's really good. But my first section I'm going to clean up is this kitchen area. And then once I do the kitchen, I'm going to do another little, I'm going to add to this video so you guys can see. This is the before, hotmess.com. See how I'm messing up with the camera? But it's not going to look like this always. I'm going to make you guys proud, make myself proud. Okay, let me get back to work. Let me get back to cleaning. Videotape just a little bit of this cleaning process, because this is something that has to be done. Oh my goodness. Hotmess.com. You see this? I got water out here. I don't have to worry about the water aspect of it. And I'm just cleaning a little stove area and all that. Like I said, I've never even cooked on this thing. And it looks like it's been abandoned. And it has been abandoned. It's been abandoned for a minute because I haven't used it. But I'm going to start using it. Yes, I am. I'm going to start using this and get this together. Pandemic's going on. Today is September the 1st, 2020. It's my dad's birthday. I made him some birthday cookies. My dad turned 88 years old today. Well, he's 88 years young today. Okay? Yes, he is. And I'm very happy and stuff. So I made him a nice breakfast, made him some birthday cookies. And we were going to go to the casino, but I took him a few days ago already. And when I tell you I'm over the casino, OMG, I am over the casino. They won't be seeing me, not for a minute, not for a long time. But anyway, let me get back. Look at that dirt. Look at all that dirt and fluid coming up out of this thing. So anyway, I'm going to get back, and I will see you in a little bit once this kitchen is clean. Okay, be back. Okay, got a little bit done. I got the, let me see. Straighten this up. Got a little bit done. So as you can see, I moved some stuff around. Still working on this table right here. I sprayed down this little rusty looking burner right here. But this is going to have to do for the rest of the season until I can get to Costco for a new one. Got this cleaned out. My little stove area. I forgot I had this at my son's house, and my son had been using this. I never used it, but my son used it, but that's fine. I cleaned it the best I could for now. I'll do a better job next season. But this is my 2 burners, and that's my little grill. And if you flip it over, it has the grill for like doing steaks and things. And that's the sink. Here's another table I have. And this is my 4-burner steam table right here. And guess what? I just sold it. So this will be leaving, going to a new home in about a week. And I will be getting me another one because I don't need one for 4 burners. I need one for maybe 2 burners. And that's it. Propane ran. So I'm going to get that. So this is what this is looking like over here. It's looking a heck of a lot better than it did And my next thing is over here. And this is my barbecue area. So I'm getting ready to clean this up. This is hotmess.com #2. So all these grills, I have a propane side grill and I have a charcoal grill, and then I have a Weber. And I had another grill, but I just got rid of that. I said, I don't need all this. I'm doing too much. So I'm getting ready to clean this area up. And once this area is clean, I shall return. Cleaning out this Weber grill. It's a good thing for me that I have drains in the yard, so this water can go straight down the drain. Woo, Lord, making a mess. Making a mess. Hotmess.com. If you go to hotmess.com right now and type it in, you'll see Eating with Food for Thought Roberts. They say she is hotmess.com every day, all day. And that's what I feel like right now. But I'm in outdoor, backyard, get it together cleaning mode. When you really decide to do something, you decide to do it right, it's work. So I'll probably be out here for at least 2 days. Today, tomorrow. Tomorrow she'll wrap it up. If not, I'll give it one more day, because today is Tuesday. I'm trying to be done by Wednesday, which is tomorrow, but I might not be done till Thursday, but Thursday will be a wrap on Thursday. But it just feels good coming out here, getting something done, seeing some progress, especially since I can't really go nowhere. I'm not even really interested in going anywhere. I just want to get my yard in order so that I can come out here and enjoy. I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching what I'm doing over here. And maybe this will inspire somebody to get out in their backyard and get it together. I've been needing to do this, but I just been doing it. I don't know if you call it lazy, pandemic lazy, or it's because of everything that's going on, but I just been kind of tired and stuff. And so when you're tired, you just don't feel like doing a whole lot of stuff. And I haven't felt like doing a lot. Like I said, I've been making masks, and that's pretty much it. I'm trying to do whatever else I can do around here. But like I said, still working on this on these grills. Got all the ash out of this one. I just dumped it on top of that dirt right there. Now I'm over here getting ready to get the ash out of this one. Now mind you, I never cook on the charcoal side. I have a friend who comes by from time to time, and he loves to barbecue. But he loves to barbecue, and he's an excellent barbecuer, but you're not an excellent cleaner-upper. You want to barbecue, and then you leave it. And then the next time you come out, you might pick up something and redo a little something. But for the most part, not even. He cooked some salmon a few weeks ago. I didn't even know he had cooked the salmon on this side of the grill. This is the smoker. I didn't even know this looked like this until right now. I'm just opening this up and I'm seeing this. So let me get this out of here. That's how you get rats and stuff, You end up with rats in your barbecue grill, and you wonder why you got rats up in there. You got rats up in there because you got food up in there. I didn't know that was like that. But now I know. And he won't be doing too much more cooking at my house. My thing is cook it at your own house. And that way, you make your mess, you clean up your mess. But don't be leaving nothing for me to clean up. Okay, let me get back to it.